My favorite milkshake gonna be probably cookies and cream because with the Vitamix, all the cookies and bits inside, they're gonna blend together. They're gonna give it like the nice taste of the actually cookies and cream. I'm Giorgio. I'm the gelato chef for Filippos. We serve gelato, Italian gelato, authentic Italian Sicilian desserts. My background has 25 years in this business. I made a lot of milkshakes in my past. My previous experience was with a stick blender gelato milkshake. It's manual machine where you put your gelato, your milk, and you just see the results by eyes. Take it out whenever you think it's ready. And now actually we got the Vitamix machine. We put all the ingredients in the jug, fresh organic milk and our fresh gelato made in house. We just press one button and the result is amazing. Light, but very thick, as should be the gelato milkshake. We got sometimes very busy with milkshake. We need to make like 4, 6, 7, 8 all together. That's why we got recently a new machine as well, which is actually more powerful than what we got before. It's incredible how quiet is the machine as well, especially when you close that blade. I'm really happy about the results with our milkshake. If some of my gelato chef friends are gonna ask about Vitamix, I will guarantee myself the machine wanna work very well and they make their life easier. Thank you for watching. Come to Warwick and try our gelato milkshake made with Vitamix. See you soon.